Hello, welcome back to Examination League YouTube channel here. If you are new, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification because on this channel we post related examinable questions on this channel for free. And all you need to do is to subscribe to the channel and as well as turn on the notification so that anytime we do videos you will be notified. And this is the NAPTEX 2022 electrical installation question. NAPTEX 2022 electrical installation questions. So all you need to do is to go through all these questions before the examination starts. We are starting by 10 p.m. It is now 7 we are starting by 10 a.m. and it is now 7 a.m. So you have almost 3 hours left before you start. So do well and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification. Don't forget to share this video to all your friends so they can also save it. And if you're having any problem, just pick up the number on the screen and WhatsApp us. Don't forget to subscribe to Examination League YouTube channel. Share the video so that anytime we do a video, you will be notified. So without further ado, thank you for watching the video and thank you for sharing as well. As you can see here, this is the installation technology and regulation for NAPTEX 2022. You don't have to waste time here. Subscribe now.